Hey guys, welcome back to MrYouWho, and I'm so excited today to be bringing to you another detailed review. We're talking about the Edifier D32 tabletop wireless Bluetooth speaker, as you can see here. A speaker that brings retro vibes with modern technology and incredible sound. Whether you're into music, movies, or podcasts, this speaker has everything you need to make your listening experience better. As you can see, there it is just there as well. Doesn't that look absolutely beautiful with that wooden finish? It really is a stunning speaker. Now guys, before we dive into the full review, make sure to like, comment and subscribe and stick around because we've got an awesome giveaway coming your way. So make sure you click the notification button to get all the latest giveaways and videos. So now guys, we're going to go jump in and have a look at an unboxing. And remember, we've also got a number of other Edifier speakers we've actually reviewed, and we've done an Edifier Wi-Fi setup, which this speaker was part of. Videos are in the links. So the Edifier D32 comes in some really clean packaging, making the unboxing experience feel premium right from the start. Inside the box, you'll find the speaker, a quick start guide, and all the cables you need to get up and running. This includes a USB-C to USB-C audio cable and a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio jack as well for all your wired connection needs. The Edifier D32 features a handmade wooden case, as you can see there. It's got a beautiful retro design. The combination of wood and metal accents really gives it a stylish vintage look. It's a compact speaker that packs a punch, but guys, it still looks elegant enough to fit into any space. So whether it's in my living room here, my bedroom, my office, it looks perfect. And I love retro furniture as well. In London, I used to collect a lot of it, and this would have fit perfectly with the retro piece, but it's also very modern. The accordion grille and sleek 12mm MDF cabinet are not only designed to enhance the sound, but they look amazing too. You can see how much attention and detail has gone into the design. And not only design, but also having a little logo up there, the lovely keys here, the fact that it is actually wireless as well. It all just adds to it. And the design, wow. It's one of the most stunning retro aesthetics I've seen in a speaker. Again, the combination of the wood and veneer finish, braided fabric grille, and metal accents really make the speaker stand out. It's got that classic vintage radio vibe. I don't know if you guys have seen like old wireless speakers. Some of my family used to have in the past, big wireless ones. They used to look like this. It's available in two finishes as well. So you've got the walnut and also the white. So I've got the walnut version here, and it really does fit into the room without being overwhelming. And this is a similar kind of style to some of the other Edifier speakers I've got. It does look very, very good. Now, the D32 is compact enough to move around, making it portable and versatile. Whether you're placing it in your living room, bedroom, or even taking it outside, it's easy to relocate the speaker. And the great thing is it's actually wireless as well. So it's Bluetooth wireless, so you can power it up and then take it wherever you want. So you can take it on barbecues, to the beach, picnics, and the speaker won't go wrong. So it's absolutely perfect, and I use it outside myself. And again, we'll use this in the Wi-Fi speaker setup. So you could pair this with other Edifier speakers to have a complete solution for your home, which is great. Now let's talk about how easy it is to use. So Edifier D32 works seamlessly with the Edifier Connect App, which I'll show you just here. It's available for both iOS and Android. Setting it up is super simple. Just download the app, plug in a speaker, and the app will automatically detect the speaker and guide you through the Wi-Fi connection process. In just a few taps, you're all ready to go. Now guys, the great thing with the app, like with all the Edifier speakers, the electric controls all kinds of features. So from adjusting the EQ settings to switching between different audio modes, you can select from sound presets like classic, monitor, dynamic, or vocal. It really depends on what kind of music you're listening to. And the great thing is it's important to tweak the sound because speakers always come with the sound set general. So if you like different settings, like I love my London club music, gives you the ability to be able to change it to your personal profile. And it has customizable 6-band EQ. So the EQ, you can change each one, which enables you to change the music like bass, treble, etc. Again, we spoke about earlier, it's got multi-point connectivity, so you can pair the speaker up with two devices at once, which is perfect if you have multiple people in the room and want to play their music. The app itself is very intuitive and easy to control, everything from your phone. It's just one of those little touches, like with Edifier with everything, that makes the whole user experience. That's a good thing with Edifier. The quality build, the quality sound, the ability to use it, the Wi-Fi, everything really makes it wonderful. But the most important part, guys, I know you want me to get to it, is the sound. Well, the Edifier D32 really impresses with its audio quality. It features two 15-watt silk dome tweeters and a 30-watt long throw mid-low driver, which work together to provide a well-balanced soundstage. The sound is surprisingly deep for its size. Whether you're listening to bass-heavy tracks or vocal-focused songs, the D32 does an amazing job. So guys, I'm going to go in a minute show you guys some tracks that I've listened to. So I listened to Black Eye by Ali X. The bass came through punchy while the vocals were crystal clear. There was no muddling of the mids or highs, and guys, the sound stayed balanced, which is very important. I even pumped it up to high volumes, and there was no distortion at all in the speaker, which is great. Now for fans of house music, like I am, I also threw on Tiesto's Red Lights, and the speaker delivered vibrant energy with clean highs. Had plenty of low-end thump. You could really hear the bass going thump, thump, thump. Guys, it really brought the music to life. And again, such a small little speaker, but you can see from it that it does pack a very powerful punch. The D32 may not have the ultra deep bass of some of the larger speakers, like the S1000W, which I'm going to do a review on shortly. But for most people, the sound it delivers is more than enough. If you're looking for something that produces rich mids and clear highs, the speaker is perfect. The bass is solid, but not overpowering, which I think is great for casual listening or background music. I found listening to a variety of genres, whether it was orchestral, electronic or pop, the sound was consistently impressive. I did find though, you had to adjust the EQ settings depending on the type of sound that you wanted. Now guys, what I want to do now is take a minute to do a quick sound test so you can hear exactly how this speaker performs. I want to try and use a different variety of genres to appeal to different tastes. So sit back and enjoy the music, and we'll pop back in. So guys, as you could see, the sound in this really is incredible, and you guys could really hear it through the speaker. But I guess the great thing about the speaker is connectivity. With the Edifier D32, you can stream music wirelessly using Bluetooth 5.3, or you can connect using Wi-Fi or Apple AirPlay 2 for high quality lossless audio. The speaker supports dual band Wi-Fi, so you can set up a multi-room audio system if you have more than one D32 speaker. So guys, as we did in our Edifier Wi-Fi speaker, imagine having all your favorite tracks across multiple rooms and have that seamless experience wherever you go. You can go do the vacuuming and go to each room, and you can hear the music pumping out. I mean, it really is incredible. And we did that speaker. We actually showed you how to set all these up, including the Edifier D32. It was so simple. So guys, what do I think of the Edifier D32? It's a fantastic speaker, especially if you're looking for something that combines retro style with modern features. The sound quality is amazing for its size. It's easy to use with the Edifier Connect App, and the portability makes it versatile enough for any room. And as you guys can see, there's a bit of a close-up of it once again. And I just love that paneled design. It really is amazing. So whether you're setting up in a living room or taking it outside for a party, this speaker delivers both in looks and performance. I don't even show you that. It's got the things at the bottom there to stop it from moving. Now it's very, very well priced, and considering everything you get, high-res audio, multiple connectivity options, and the retro design, it's definitely a solid choice. Now guys, we're also doing a giveaway at the moment. So we're giving away Edifier products. So you click on the link in the description. There's 7 products at the moment worth over $4,000 we're giving away. As to say thank you for all your support. Now make sure you subscribe, click the notification button to get updated with all the latest giveaways as well. Check out our Edifier playlist as well. We've got all these different speakers, earbuds, headphones. We do love Edifier products. We also love speakers generally. So reach out to us and let us know what you think. But guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing the Edifier D32. Let us know if you like the speaker, if you want any other speaker reviews, and we'll see you soon at MrYouWho. Thanks for joining me here at MrYouWho.